With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Today's our question is, if the length of a direct common tangent and transverse common tangent of two circles with integral radii are 3 units and 1 unit respectively, then the reciprocal of the square of the distance between the centers of the circle is equal to. Okay, so basically in this question they are given as the length of direct common tangent and transverse common tangent of two circles with integral radii are 3 units and 1 unit respectively. Then we have to find the reciprocal of square of distance between the centers of the circle. So in this question they are given as two circles, okay, which is this is C1 and this is C2. Okay, so now we have to find the reciprocal of square of distance between these two center of circle. So we can say that we have to find the value of 1 by C1 C2 whole square is equal to, we have to find the value of this. Okay, so let us suppose these are the two circles, okay, and this is a in common intersection point, which is, let us suppose this is P, okay, and this is the tangent. These two are tangent, and this is, you know, this is direct common tangent. So this is direct common tangent, okay, this is direct common tangent, okay friend. So for now, first what we will do that we have two circles with centers C1 and C2. So now first what we will do that we will let two circles R of radii of two radii, this circle is R1 and R2, okay, with centers C1 and C2 respectively, okay, though, okay, then we have the two equations. We have two equations with of first is direct common tangent and another is transverse common tangent. So first one is, let us suppose one equation of direct common tangent is, this is C1 C2 whole square minus R1 minus R2 whole square is equal to 3 square, because 3 is the length of direct common tangent. Okay, so this is the value formula of direct common tangent. Okay, so now from here we know that R1 and R2 are integral radii of these two circles. Okay, now we have another equation of transverse common tangent is, this is C1 C2 whole square minus R1 plus R2 whole square, this is equal to 1. So because the value of transverse common tangent is 1, so let us suppose this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So now we open these two equations. So we will write it as, this is C1 C2 whole square as it is, this is minus R1 minus R2 whole square, this is A minus B whole square, so this is A square plus B square minus 2AB, so this is minus R1 square minus R2 square plus 2R1 R2 is equal to 3 square is 9. Now this is, now opening this question, this is, so C1 C2 whole square is as it is. Now we have, this is A plus B whole square, so this is A square plus B square plus 2AB, so minus R1 square minus R2 square minus 2R1 R2, this is equal to 1. Now so now we will subtract these two equations. So for subtracting we will, so now by subtracting, this is plus, this is plus, this is plus, and this is minus. So now we can see here that this is cancelled out from here, and this is also cancelled out from here, and this is also cancelled out from here, and this is 2 plus 2 is 4 R1 R2, this is equal to 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, so from here we can see that R1 into R2 is equals to 8 by 4 is 2. So the value of R1 into R2 is equals to 2. Okay, so now what we will do that, so now let us assume we have, so now let us assume we have R1 is equals to 1 and R2 is equals to 2. Okay, so now let us assume we have R1 is equals to 1 and R2 is equal to 2. So now because R1 R2 is equals to 2. Okay, so now what we will do that, we will put the value of R1 and R2 in our second equation. So now putting in second equation, putting in second equation, so we have, so now by putting in second equation we have, this is c1 c2 whole square, so c1 c2 whole square, this is, now we have, it goes out, so this is plus, so this is 1 plus, so this is 1 plus r1 plus r2 whole square. So now by putting in this equation, so we have, we will write it as, this is c1 c2 whole square, this is 1 plus, we know r1 r2 is 2, 1 and 2, so this is 1 plus 2 is 3, so 3 square is 9, so we can say that, so this is 1 plus 2 is 3 square is 9, so this is 9. So now we can say that c1 c2 whole square, this is equals to 10, but we have to find the value of the reciprocal of this. So for reciprocal we will write this is c1 c2 whole square, this is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, so now 1 by c1 c2 whole square, this is equals to 0.1. So 0.1 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so this is our required answer. Thank you for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.